Hello, and welcome to another update video about Doge. The Doge chart is still following here the micro patterns, and the price is now probably working on wave 5 of C in circle wave 4. So as mentioned in the last update, this is likely a wave 4 correction, or at least I see it that way as long as we are holding above the 17-cent level. Below 17 cents, however, the structure will turn more bearish. And because it crosses below a key level, right? A key threshold, which is here at 17 cents. The 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, the golden ratio level. Any break below that, would indicate this is not a wave 4 anymore. It would be too large for a wave 4. So for now, I'm still tracking lower here. There is no sign of a low. That's also what I mentioned in the last update. Until we get a break above that green line at 24.9 cents, it can easily extend lower. There's no sign a low is in place until we see a break above that green line. That is the first indication. That's not even full confirmation, but the first indication that a low of sorts is in place, then probably a low in wave 4. So the next support level is 17 cents, and if we zoom in, we can identify that the chart here in this C wave to the downside, probably, which by the way is a 5-wave move. So this C wave is a 5-wave move. Let me change the wave degree of the internal structure of that C wave. Within this C wave down, we have 5 waves. And in that 5th wave, we should also get 5 waves. And that's probably what we're working on right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe one more low in wave 5. I mean, to be honest, that must be it. To keep this yellow scenario alive, the next low pretty much needs to hold. I mean, there is not much more space to the 17-cent level. So here, this could be after wave 4 completed as a triangle, which is always a 5-wave move. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, in case some of you are wondering how that triangle can be counted. The price started the next impulsive decline, which should be nearly done. And I mean, if you're looking for like really early indication that a low of sorts is in place, well, you could use here the last swing high at 21.5 cents, but this is just too small to be really relevant. So that's basically the structure. We have very clear levels to watch here. The trend is clearly still down, but with a potential of a significant upside reversal because the market is so oversold. But I would be careful because these altcoins, I mean, there's no guarantee they will turn around. So if you're buying, I mean, I would just keep it small until the market has given us a, let's say, a reversal confirmation, some kind of a confirmation. And even that is not certainty, but what I want to show you here is on the larger time frame and what happens if we break below 17 cents. If there is indeed a sustained break below the 17-cent level, that would be a really good indication that this is a top in wave B. So that Doge formed a major 3-wave price top. Then this is an A wave down, a B wave up, and we could move down in a C wave into the lower support or target area, which starts at 3 cents. So that would be bear market, yeah? Obviously, there will be support levels in between, and I'm not saying that it couldn't find the support somewhere and maybe a different scenario comes into play. But just to keep it very simple, any sustained break below 17 cents would open the door to a bear market. Yeah, of course there will be support levels. I will keep watching for a possible 5-wave movements to the upside, which would indicate an upside reversal. But these are all low probability scenarios, and any break of support would just really make the white count the most probable scenario. Again, the move up from the 2022 low is at best a diagonal structure which is still in development. So there are different ways how you can interpret this. So there is not just one scenario that can play out. There are different interpretations that are possible. And it's just important to understand where let's say, the threshold sits between bullish and bearish. And that is at the moment the 17-cent level. So it's a bit too early to really talk about other scenarios as long as we're holding that level. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.